How to log in to the Pinterest. Hello everyone, my name is Smal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Pinterest application. The very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Pinterest, which I have already searched. So if you have already installed and you want to update, then if there is any update option available, you can simply update it. But since I've just installed it, so it does not require that. If you have done it, go on the Pinterest application on your device. Now you see the many options right here. It says me to continue with Facebook, continue with Google, and many options right here. So guys, you can simply connect your Pinterest account with your Facebook account or with your Google account, or also you can create your own Pinterest account by just tapping on the email address and creating your own password. So that's how you can log in with different multiple ways with your Pinterest account. So if I just tap on continue with Facebook, then it will show me how I can continue with Facebook and it will show my account, and I can simply tap on continue and it will be connected and I can use my Pinterest app. So yes, this is how you can do it. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.